channel. So this week I'm coming at you with my August plan with me. I did one of these last month, but it was just completely sped through and I didn't talk at all in it. I'm not going to completely talk through this one. I just wanted to do this little intro, let you guys know that I'm doing the first week in August, and I'm using this kit from Caress Press. I believe it is the Lovebirds kit. I will have it linked down below, but it came with this cute little sampler page. And then this is what the kit looks like. And all of the pages are numbered to kind of make it easier for you to figure out like what is supposed to go where. And I'm just gonna try and follow that and see how it works out for me and my plans, instead of trying to confuse myself and end up having it looking like a hot mess. So, first off, I use a happy planner. I know a lot of people use the Erin Condren planners, and that's generally what these kits are designed for. But I have a happy planner at the moment, so I'm just going to roll with it. So if everything doesn't fit perfectly, that is why. But we're going to see how well it fits. And yeah, let's get down into this. So there is the completed kit on my planner. It covered it pretty well. There's just like this little bit, like maybe an inch of space on each day, and I just use that to put some deco in and put a couple Bill Do stickers in. The sidebar doesn't really fit, but I threw in one of the little stickers off of the sampler page to fill that in. So yeah, overall I think this is really cute. I learned that I completely suck at laying stickers down straight at the moment. But yeah, other than that, if you guys would like a talk through plan with me for next time, make sure you leave me a comment down below. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up so I will know. And yeah, any other week of the month that I actually use full kits, I always post pictures to my Instagram, so make sure you are following me on there if you are not already. And I think that is everything. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!